Hey guys, Andrew here with 4x4 Attitude, coming to you today with our custom printed JLJT front mini shade to put on your Jeep. This helps block out the sun but lets air flow through it very nicely. So today I want to bring to you a quick video to show you how easy it is to install one of our shades. Alright guys, now that we're on top of the Jeep here, I'm going to show you how to install our shade and how quick it is. I've already removed the Freedom Top panels just for ease of video. There's plenty of videos online to show you exactly how to take those Freedom Top panels off. But today, to speed the process up, I'm going to show you how to do it now. So you're going to grab your shade. You've got 3 bungees on each side. You're going to want to take the ball part first and feed it through here. Right? So then you're going to take this bungee, go under and over, allowing the ball to sit on top. We find it's the easiest way to install and keep it secure. And you're just going to do it all the way around for the three panels on each side. Okay. Also on these, we've added a magnet system that will clip here onto the top, allowing it to hold the top to the front of the windshield. The magnets hold 80 pounds each, so they're not going anywhere. Now let's move over to the other side and connect the next 3 bungees. Alright guys, now that we're over on the passenger side, we're going to take our shade with our 3 bungees on the side. Remember to install the ball on top. We found it's the easiest way to install on these, where it's in the top, and then you're going to loop this under the roll bar, back over, and then back to the ball. It's as simple as this right here. Loop under and connect, just like so. All right. And with the last one. So, move your magnets up here. You can also slide these bungees to the front to get exact fit here as well. But that's it. It's installed. We got a fully secure shade. All right, so that's it, guys. The shade's installed with the ease of 6 bungees and 3 magnets, and it's on there. It's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's got a great design of your choice. And so yeah, you guys enjoy your new shade from 4x4 Attitude.